Hey you guys, good morning. Welcome to Janae's Journey. I'm Janae Simone, and you tuned into the right place if you want to see videos about hair and beauty every week. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button right now if you want to see how to do this DIY sugar scrub. So today I'm bringing to you guys a super simple, easy facial scrub. Like, so easy. It's 4 ingredients. You probably have them in your house or around your house. So we're just going to get started. The 4 ingredients you will need is white cane sugar, brown sugar, vitamin E oil, and lemon juice. That's it. And I'm going to show you guys how this goes. We're going to start with building it in here. You do not have to build it in anything. You can literally build it just on your fingertips, like just enough to exfoliate your face. But I'm going to do it in here. It's just a really small little glass bowl. I also have these 2 measuring spoons. I have a half teaspoon and a half tablespoon. So we're going to definitely be using these to measure out our sugar. Okay you guys, so we're going to just start making this right now. So the brands of these items absolutely do not matter, but this is what I have. So I have pure cane sugar. I have some light brown sugar. Winco brand, doesn't matter. I have 2 small lemons. I'm probably going to be using both of these because I'm just going to be squeezing the juice out of them, and I just picked these off my tree. These are actually the only lemons I could reach. So just some lemons for lemon juice. And then I have this La Bella vitamin E oil. I think I got this from either the Dollar Tree or Walmart like 3 years ago. Like, it has lasted me a very long time. And again, the brand really doesn't matter. Like, it's vitamin E oil and it works perfectly fine. So here we go. Today I'm not going to do a big portion or anything. I'm going to use my half teaspoon. Half a tablespoon of our vitamin E oil. And then we're going to just squeeze these lemons in our bowl. And just mix it up. And all of these ingredients play an important role in this scrub. So this is my first time using the lemon, but the lemon is to lighten dark spots. And if you guys see my face, I'm going to give you guys a close-up again of my face before we use it. I do have dark spots, so the lemon is supposed to help with that. I use the brown and the white sugar because the white sugar is really tough on the skin and the brown sugar is more of a soft exfoliant. So then mixed together is like the perfect exfoliant. So I'm just gonna get a little closer so you guys can see what's in here. It's literally a little portion, but it is just enough for the face. Now that that's all mixed up, it is time to put it on our face. Alright you guys, so before we use our sugar scrub concoction, I just want to give you guys a close-up on my face so you guys can see what it looks like before I use the sugar scrub. So I definitely do have some dark spots from old acne, blackheads. I definitely have acne prone skin, so yep, this is it. Okay, and we're about to use our sugar scrub. And the vitamin E oil is a really good moisturizer, and it heals scars. I feel like my skin it feels pretty exfoliated. See my hands, like it has all the sugar and stuff in them. So now we're just going to rinse it off with warm water. Alright you guys, so I just rinsed off the scrub with warm water. Like, it feels baby smooth right now and it's just glowing. It is absolutely like, wow. Like, that was the easiest scrub ever. This scrub just clears away your dead skin and it really rejuvenates your skin. It makes it more bright and flourish. Like, I absolutely love it. It's super simple. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, suggestions, please put them below in the comment section. I really think you guys all should try this. It's super easy and it works super well. Your skin feels so amazing afterwards. Like, it's definitely worth trying. If you guys have any scrub suggestions that you guys have for me or want me to try out, let a girl know down below. But yeah, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.